what I tell people to try to do, and it's a little bit difficult for newer investors, and I understand because it's not necessarily parts of town that you would live in. But when you're starting out, I highly recommend doing what I would call C-class neighborhoods. And so just to take a step back, there's A class, B class, C class, and then there's like war zones is what we'll call them. A war zone in St. Louis would be like North City or East St. Louis, just parts of town that have no hope. Hopefully they have some hope, but not for us. The C class is going to be your South City or North County. And then your B class is going to be better parts of, South City, like maybe a Soulard, a Benton Park, a Tower Grove. And then when you move on to A class, we're talking about like, Clayton, Chesterfield, town and country, just magnificent parts of town that you would probably prefer to live in. And so the A class, there's no money to be made there because the properties are too expensive and everything's already beautiful. And then the D class or the war zone, you just have no hope there. I mean, the tenants are going to be horrible. There isn't going to be any appreciation.